So hello everyone, welcome back to the last lecture, that is lecture number 10 of similarity topic. Hope you all are doing good, and let's quickly complete the topic. And let me just open my OneNote and check where we had ended the session. I guess we are remaining with question number 10, question number 11, question number 12, and question number 13. But let's confirm, right? So give me a moment, allow me to open my OneNote and we will begin. Oh no, ये क्या है? So this is not our notebook. Let's change. I don't know ये क्या हो रहा है. Give me a moment. Okay, so this is the right notebook with similarity lecture number 10. And let me just check what we have completed in lecture number 9. Yes, we have completed in lecture 9. We have completed question number 8 and 9 तो textbook में करवाया था जहां तक I remember. Lecture 8 में ही मैंने लिखा था ये देखो. So okay, come on. So let me just copy paste this 10th question. The question is easy provided you all pay attention. Okay, so let me just copy paste this question. Question number 10. Let me go back to my OneNote and let me paste over here. Okay, so anyways, all good. So let's begin with this question. In figure 1.78, I don't know कौन सा pen select हो गया है. Bisector of angle B and angle C of triangle ABC intersect each other at point X. Line AX intersects side BC in point Y. AB is equal to 5, AC is equal to 4, BC is equal to 6, then find AX upon AY. So this is the question, isn't it? So they are asking me to find value of AX upon AY, isn't it? So मुझे basically ये find करना है ratio का value. Now since there is numerical value given, AB is equal to 5 and AC is equal to 4, BC is equal to 6. Since मुझे इनका numerical value दिया है, of course I'm going to get the ratio का value also in a numerical form, isn't it? So let us begin with the given part. So in triangle ABY, ray BX bisects angle ABY, ray BX bisects angle ABY. Okay, and this is from where did I got this? This is from the given part, isn't it? So now, since angle bisector ka baat ho raha hai, we can apply the theorem of angle bisector. So by theorem of angle bisector, by theorem of angle bisector of triangle, what I am going to get, AB upon BY is equal to AX upon XY. Let this be my equation number 1. Life में किधर तो काम आ जाएगा. Now let me take the second triangle, that is triangle ACY. पहले ABY वाला लिया, ये वाला part ना भी ये वाला लेंगे ACY. So in triangle ACY, so what is the angle bisector here? Let's come back. Ray CX is the bisector. So ray CX bisects angle ACY. So ray CX bisects angle ACY. Again, this was given. See, I am repeating the same process. So there is nothing new. Okay. Then AC upon AY. Just give me a moment. I don't know why it's not writing. AC upon AY is going to be AX upon XY. This will be my equation number 2 using theorem of angle bisector. So by theorem of angle bisector of triangle. Okay. Then coming to ये हो गया. So just check from 1 and 2 if I'm getting something equalities कुछ मिल रहा है क्या. So from 1 and 2 I'm going to get AB upon BY is equal to AX upon XY is equal to AC upon CY. So this is what I'm getting. Let's substitute the values. कुछ तो काम का मिल जाएगा. Can I just write it again neatly thoda, because see, इसके इनका AB upon BY is equal to, मैं ये टर्म इधर लिख रहा हूँ, ठीक है, AC अपॉन CY विच इज इक्वल टू AX अपॉन AY, बिकॉज AX अपॉन AY का वैल्यू फाइंड करना है अपने को, एंड उसका वैल्यू दिया नहीं है, वी नीड टू फाइंड, सो आई एम गिविंग इट वन साइड, ओके, देयरफॉर सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यू, सब्स्टिट्यूट करोगे तो क्या मिलेगा, 5 अपॉन BY is equal to 4 upon CY is equal to AX upon XY. Okay. Therefore, now theorem of equal ratios, by theorem of equal ratios. I don't know whether you are aware of this theorem or not, but theorem of equal ratios में कैसा होता है ना, we add this, so 5 plus 4 upon by plus cy is equal to ax upon xy. Theorem of equal ratios was there in the old portion, that is I guess of the year 2018 का जो last batch था उनको theorem of equal ratios था, but तुमको नहीं है, but it's easy, you can apply if you know. So 9 upon BC is equal to AX upon XY. BC किधर से आया? So when you check the figure, BY plus YC is BC. Okay. So now again there is 6. Here you can just justify your step. That is B dash Y dash C. Okay. Here therefore 9 by 6 is gonna be AX upon AY. Therefore AX upon AY, it's going to be 3 3s are 9 and 3 2s are, and therefore your final answer is 3 by 2. So I hope this question was easy. It was just lengthy, but it was the most simplest question one can come across. Let me put it in a box. So you all can just stop from wherever you all are writing. We are just solving using the equalities and nothing much beyond that. Okay. Shall I go with the next question? You all can pause the video and you all can check it out from the step you all have missed. Okay. But I expect that you all are sitting with a book and pen and you all are writing when I'm teaching. Okay. Or else it won't be effective. Or else the session would be just बोलते ना, a session with full गाला टाइम मिलेगा तुमको, सिर्फ देख रहे हो, ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हो, एंड एग्जाम के टाइम पे भूल जाओगे. सो डोंट डू दैट. ओके. आई हैव लॉट्स ऑफ होप फ्रॉम यू ऑल. Coming to question number 11. So question number 11 में in quadrilateral ABCD, seg AD is parallel to seg BC. This question is very very simple. Show that AP upon PD, AP upon PD is equal to BC. Pardon? Is equal to PC. Yeah, PC upon BP. ऐसा. So matter of thinking, nothing else. We need to show that. Means it's not a solution, it's a proof part. So what is given to me? Seg AD is parallel to seg BC. It is given to me, right? Now, and what is the transversal here? So line DB, yeah, BD, whatever you write, I'm writing line DB is the transversal. Okay. So can you see which angles are forming here? There are alternate angles. So angle ADP is congruent to angle CBP. Okay. Here these are alternate angles. Let this be your equation number 1. Now go for proving triangle to be similar. So take two triangles. So I'm taking in triangle ADP and triangle CDP. Okay. ADP and CDP नहीं आएगा. Sorry, CBP आना चाहिए. CBP. Okay. So angle ADP is congruent to angle CBP from 1. Then secondly, angle APD is congruent to angle CPB. Just check they are vertically opposite angles. Here देखो, aren't they? Now therefore triangle ADP is similar to triangle CBP using double A test for similarity. Now take corresponding sides of similar triangles. So you are going to get AP upon CP is equal to PD upon BP. Okay. You can mention reason here. Corresponding sides of similar triangle CSST. I hope you know what is the meaning of alternate now. So here it's AP upon PD is equal to CP upon BP. So basically this is by alternando, and hence we prove by alternando, and hence we prove alternando बोलता है I'm just explaining what is alternando. Invertendo तो सबको आ जाता है basically, since इन्वर्टेंडो के बारे में पढ़ा है तुम लोग ने, मतलब इट्स जस्ट इन्वर्ट करना, नाम से ही समझता है. So just note what do we mean by alternando. Give me a moment. Alternando बोलता है कि if there is A upon B is equal to C upon D, then if I apply property of alternando, if I apply alternando to that given particular ratio, ये क्या हो रहा है alternando, okay, then it would be by alternando it is going to be A upon C is equal to B upon D. Okay, I hope this property is clear. See to it that you note it down. Then if I apply invertendo, componendo, invertendo मैंने बोला था previous lectures में. So see to it that you all are revising my lectures before sitting for next lecture. Okay. And this is the part we wanted to prove, and it is hence proved. हो गया. So hardly 2 to 3 marks का question है, but it's easier. Let's go to the next question. That is question number 12. And that of course I'm going to write here only. Let me take some good color today. Okay, so if you read the question here, xy is parallel to AC. If 2ax is equal to 3bx and xy is equal to 9, then complete the following activity. Find the value of c. So see activity questions I avoid. ये ratio form में दिया है तो तुमको उसको convert करना है. This color it seems to be good, but it's very light. Okay. So here it's going to be 3 by 2. किधर से मिला? इधर से मिला. Going down, applying componendo. So add होएगा. So basically I am going to get here 3 plus 2 upon 2. Okay. Which is going to be 5 upon 2. And here it is going to be similar by double A test of similarity. You need to just check which two angles are similar. So you can take that two triangle in triangle so and so is congruent to so and so equation 1, so and so is congruent to so and so from so and so reason, and therefore from above steps we come to know that it is similar by AA test. That I'm not doing something I want you all to do, since everything won't be spoon feeding now. Stated that you all are coming back with the same step, or if you didn't understood, mention in comment section. Once you can once you get triangle similar, you can do CSST, corresponding sides of similar triangle. Then here it would be 5 upon 2 is equal to AC upon 9. Therefore AC इसको solve करो. So AC के लिए तुमको मिल जाएगा 5 into 9 upon 2. So 45 upon 2. So here it's going to be 22.5. Okay. 22.5. जहाँ तक I know, I don't know the latest version of your 2021 textbook, but this is the older version, that is 2019 or 2020, which I am using, in which the answers are given quite wrong. Here in, please pay attention. In textbook here they have given as answer they have given in textbook is 5 by 3. Okay, whereas AC is 15. So correct 5 by 3 nahi hoega, it would be 5 by 2. So see to it that you all are not mistaking. So in online exams, don't tend to make any mistakes. Don't rely on any answers. Just see that you all are trying by yourself and then you all are solving. Since I don't want you all to lose marks in activity based questions. Okay, that is my main motto, nothing else. And 13th question, I'm giving it as an assignment question. See to it that you all are solving it, since full chapter I have solved, पूरा topic solve हुआ है, हम लोग ने किया है. There is not a single exercise question which I have missed, nor a single problem set question which I have missed. So अभी मेरा इतना तो हक बनता है कि I can give this as an assignment question. You please solve it, prepare a PDF, mail it to me, and I will correct it and return you within 48 hours. That is my promise, and I am doing it. So that's the last expectation from y'all. And successfully we have completed this chapter, and we'll meet you in the next lecture. Next lecture probably a week may I'll start with trigonometry lecture. Trigonometry I am keeping on halt since Shivik sir is busy in infinite bridge course series. I am taking algebra ka second topic since I had many requests to do so. So trigonometry 4, 5, 6 I will take after this 12 lectures of algebra. Okay, that's all from my side. You can, if you want notes, do mail me, put a query for note. I will be solving that as well. Okay, so bye everyone. Have a good day. Meet you all soon with a very interesting topic, quadratic equation. Bye everyone. Have a good day.